Hello everyone, welcome to Enzamam Study Hub. Earlier we have referred to the uses of there is and there are. To speak about anything in anywhere, we initiate the sentence with there is and there are. For example, there is a boat on the river. There are many birds in the sky. If you have not watched the previous class, kindly go through it clicking the link above cited. So today we will discuss the past and future form of there is and there are. If we take the first example, there is a boat on the river. This is based on the present situation. Suppose you saw the boat in the morning time, but in the evening you see the boat is not present. And now if you want to speak the sentence in English, you have to speak in past time. Just begin the sentence with there, and was is for one boat, so then there was a boat on the river. Now talking about many birds in the sky in the past form. So start the sentence with there. So many birds, that mean more than one, and in the past tense where is used for more than one. As above mentioned, in the present time the sentence will start with there is or there are, and in the past time the sentence will start with there was or there were. So in the same way, if I speak the same sentence in future, then the sentence will be there will be a boat on the river. Next sentence, there will be many birds in the sky. Now let's see the difference among all the sentences. There are many birds in the sky. There were many birds in the sky. There will be many birds in the sky. And remember one thing, that is or are is used for the present time. Was or were is used for the past time, and in the context of future time only will be is used, whether it is one or more than one. So this much is for today, and make sure before coming to the next topic you practice all this, because if you want to speak English, then practice English as a language, not as a subject. So all the best, and see you in the next class.